This is a very quick video where I demonstrate how I'm making a cheese waffle, a chaffle. I love my little Dash mini waffle maker. You can find my review video linked below. But I am taking one large egg, I'm going to crack it in the bowl, stir in a half cup of cheese. I'm using Colby Jack because that's what I have on hand, but really any cheese works, and we'll get started. So I coat the waffle iron with a little bit of olive oil spray, and you're going to take half of your cheese and egg mixture. So this is perfect recipe for like a breakfast sandwich because you're only doing half at a time. And now we're going to drop it for 2 to 3 minutes. Yum, so delicious. I always use a plastic fork. And now I'm going to add the second half and make the top of my breakfast sandwich. So there are so many different ways you can use chaffles, and any type of cheese can really change the flavor and what you're going to do with it. But with the Colby, I really like to make these breakfast sandwiches. So delicious. Even my kids love this. And as my middle daughter said, how can this be so much better than just a fried egg with cheese? It is. Go ahead and check out this video where I share the waffle iron I'm using. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and chow.